What are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
Hello everyone. Believe in yourself and everything is possible is what I have learned in Evision. I got placement in TCTS with salary offer 2.64 lakhs per annum. Hi everyone. My name is Naina Sarkar. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my BE in Electrical Engineering from KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur in 2021. I was looking for a job. One of my friends advised me to join Evision. It was a great experience with Evision. I had joined Evision on 1st August 2022 for OJT program internship. It was 45 days internship program. Through their OJT programs, Evision trained me on CCNA, N+, VMware, ITIL as per industry standards with real life scenarios. All the trainers and team members are really very helpful, very supportive, and experienced. They also help me to increase my skills. I am very thankful to Evision. Thank you, Evision.